In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Lili branches and ATMs near you, step by step. As we dive in, it's important to remember that Lili is a US-based digital bank specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. An interesting fact about Lili is that it doesn't have any physical branches. Instead, they've teamed up with Allpoint, one of the largest surcharge-free ATM networks in the country. This means you can easily access your money at thousands of locations nationwide. So, where do we start? First, let's head over to the Allpoint Network's website. Once you arrive, keep scrolling down until you spot a map. This map is a vital tool in our search because it showcases the widespread network of ATMs available to you. Now you'll see a search box on this map, which is there to help narrow down your search. All you need to do is type in your address or zip code, and you'll quickly see which ATMs are nearest to your location. Now it's time to refine your search using the filtering options available. You can filter by surcharge-free ATMs or opt specifically for Allpoint Plus cash deposit ATMs if you're looking to make a deposit. This tool is quite handy for ensuring you find exactly what you need with minimal fuss. Once your search is filtered, click on Allpoint Plus cash deposit ATMs. At this point, you'll notice the map starts to populate with locations marked by pins. Now, let's use the interactive map. Clicking a pin represents an ATM location, and this step will provide valuable information about that specific spot. Look to the left side of the map once you've clicked on a pin. Here you'll be presented with detailed information about the branch, including its exact address and any additional features it might offer. This walkthrough simplifies the process of accessing your funds, ensuring you can navigate Lili's network with ease. By incorporating each of these steps into your routine, you'll find it straightforward to locate Lili ATMs and manage your banking needs, whether you're on the go or planning future travel. If you're ever in a new area or simply need to find the nearest ATM, just repeat these steps. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to find all Lili ATM locations near you with the help of Allpoint's extensive network. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.